Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the rear window defroster on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find it. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Rear window defroster fuses relays guys, come to explain what you can expect to find them on that generation GMC Terrain here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know that there is hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood and facing the engine on the right side here, that's the driver's side, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box here. We have a clip here, clip there, release them, lift the cover, and underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, we need to check now up to 3 different components. The main fuse is known as fuse number 8 for the rear window defroster, and we're talking about a 30 amp fuse in our case right here. The next thing that you may need to check guys, okay, we're talking specifically guys, okay, about relay 57. You may or may not have this one. If you have it, it will be right here. If you don't, okay, it's okay. But you will need to check one more, which is known as relay 63. This is the main relay. So that's the fuse number 8, that's the relay. Those are the main fuses relays that you need to check. If you still have problems with it, you may want to check fuses relays for the body control module guys, because body control module controls the rear window defroster as well. And if you don't know where these fuses and relays are located, we'll have the video on our YouTube channel. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.